Hello! Welcome to Twinkl Kids TV. As we're now in spooky season, in today's How to Draw, we'll be creating a ghost. As usual, we'll be doing a layer of basic shapes with a pencil before using a pen to create the final lines. So, once you're ready with these, let's get going! Start off by drawing a super simple circle in the middle of your page. Then, on either side of this circle, draw a straight line downwards to about double the length of the circle. You can then connect these to each other with one long squiggly line. Now you can see you have the outline of your spooky ghost. If you're enjoying our video, why don't you take a second to subscribe so you don't miss anything we upload? Although you've only done a few basic lines, I bet you can start to see your drawing take a ghostly shape. So now you have your first layer, it's time to pick up your pen and start adding some more detail. Start by drawing a long, smooth curve to join the circle with the straight lines you started with. You can then complete the outline by tracing over the squiggly pencil line. Remember, it doesn't have to be exact. The sketch is just there as a guide. To add some more detail to your ghost, towards the bottom of the shape, create some vertical lines so that it has some depth to it. It doesn't matter if the lines aren't particularly straight, as it's just to give the impression of some creases. Now the ghost needs some eyes, so add in 2 small squashed ovals. You can then add in a little curve beneath these to make your ghost happy, as we don't want it to be too scary. Although, of course, you can make your ghost as spooky as you'd like. To give the ghost some arms, add in 2 U shapes to either side of your drawing. Now that's what I call a ghostly ghoul. Thanks for joining us today at Twinkl Kids TV. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.